Happy New Year's, folks. No, the voiceover was not plan A. GoPro 9s have a wonderful microphone and thought it would get my voice, and it did. Until I revved up the motor and didn't get a great job of picking up the motor or wind noise. All you really can hear on the video is my mumbling. So why am I talking? Well, that's the news for y'all. No one really likes to read titles. Got some really interesting videos coming up, or rides coming up for 2023, as I'm retiring. I'm going to have a lot more time on my hands to go riding. Basically time to hit the road. First trip is going to be a family one for me and the bike and to see my brothers. We're going to go to Florida and ride on up to Ohio, over to West Virginia, up to Massachusetts, and probably New England for a little while, and then come on back. Then a little later on in the year, going to head out west, probably run into a friend of mine, go out west with him on a bike, hit some mountains that are a lot more interesting than what we have here in Georgia, which is swamp basically, and a lot more epic stuff than I'm able to video here. That really is just a warm-up for a larger trip I've got planned. The plan is we're going to put one of my Urals on an airplane, and me too, and send it on over to Europe this summer. Plan is first to get to Switzerland, set up shop in west central Switzerland, got a few places picked out, and use that as a base, and ride as many of the passes there as humanly possible in the given time we've got. Because I never know when I'm ever going to get a chance to do this again, and I've always wanted to do it, and I'm having a chance, and I'm going to take it. That's going to be during the week. During the weekends where all the crazies are out there, the plan then is to hit the various European motorcycle rallies that are happening, just to see what's out there, see who's there, see what's going on, see how they do things. It's also planning some excursions into Eastern Europe, we'll say Romania, Hungary, and depending on the state of the world, maybe into Turkey and Georgia, and maybe a little further away, we'll see. We'll have to see what happens. Doing these trips is really fun. Doing it by yourself, it can be fun. Doing it with somebody else is even more fun. So if anybody would like to be in on something like this, let me know. We could get together for part or all of the trip, or figure something out, or you may know something that's going on over there that I don't have a clue about that would be cool to do. I'm not hard to find. You can go to the GeorgiaSidecarClub.com site. My email address is there. The dates for this trip right now, they're not set in stone yet because my renewed passport ain't here yet. But right now it's looking like mid to late July through mid to late September, when it's ridiculously hot here in Georgia and I really don't even want to leave the house, to just plain miserably hot in Europe, but not any hotter than what I'm used to here. So basically that's it. That's what's going on, and why I'm actually recording my voice to stick on a video for a change, which is something I never do, but do plan on doing in the future because that appears to be what folks like. And if that is the fact, we'll find out from the views on this video. We're going on the road. We're going to start doing a lot more videos, more interesting videos, besides riding around the same roads over and over and over again. If this is your sort of thing, or you feel like this is something you might want to get involved with, let me know. and we'll work something out or see you on the road. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, post, comment, all that garbage. It really does help out the videos. Thank you. Bye.